question number 2a, mark the fractions on number line. Okay, so number 1, 2 upon 5. So we have to mark this fraction on a number line. So fractions will come between 0 and 1. So we will start with 0 and we will write here and 1. So in denominator, which number is there? 5. So total 5 equal parts we have to make on a number line, including this 1. We will not include 0, but we will include 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here we will write 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, and here 5 upon 5. If numerator and denominator are same, then we will get 1. So we have to mark 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5. Okay. Now number 2, 3 upon 7. So we will write here 0 and here 1. So we have to make it into 7 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. So 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7, and here 7 upon 7. So our fraction is 3 upon 7. Now number 3, 7 upon 9. So 0, 1. We have to make it into 9 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 upon 9, 2 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 5 upon 9, 6 upon 9, 7 upon 9, 8 upon 9, 9 upon 9. So we want 7 upon 9. Okay. Now next 4 upon 6. So between 0 and 1, we have to make it into 6 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6. So 4 upon 6 is our fraction. Question 2b. Find the simplest form of given fraction. Okay, so we have to write simplest form of the given fraction. So fraction is 32 upon 40. So this we have to write in a smaller number. Okay, so for this we will do HCF, means highest common factor. So first we will take out HCF for 32. So we will start from 2 table. 2 16s are 32. Then 2 8s are 16. Then 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Then for 40. Now for 40. So 2 20s are 40. Then 2 10s are 20. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 5 1s are 5. Now we will write factors for 32. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 times 2. Then for 40, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. Now we have to write common factor. So common factor equal to 2, 2 and 2. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So 8 is the common factor. So we will divide in numerator and denominator divided by 8. So in 8 table when 32 will come, 8 4s are 32. And 8 table when 40 will come, 8 5s are 40. So 4 upon 5 is the simplest form of 32 upon 40. So this is our answer. Now number 2, 18 upon 24. So first we will take out HCF. So in 2 table 18 will come. Yes, 2 9s are 18. In 2 table 9 will not come. So we will move to 3 table. So 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Then for 24, in 2 table when 24 will come, 2 12s are 24. Then 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Now we will write the factors. For 18, 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So for 24, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Now we will write the common. So 2 and 3. So common factors equal to 2 multiply by 3. So 2 3s are 6. So we will divide in numerator and denominator by 6. So 18 upon 24 in numerator divided by 6 and denominator divided by 6. In 6 table when 18 will come, 6 3s are 18. Now in 6 table when 24 will come, 6 4s are 24. So 3 upon 4 is our answer. Now number 3, 20 upon 35. So first we will take out HCF for 20. So for 20 we will take out. In 2 table when 20 will come, 2 10s are 20. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 5 1s are 5. Now for 35, 35 will come in 5 table. So 5 7s are 35. Then 7 1s are 7. Okay. Write factors for 20. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. Now for 35, 5 multiply by 7. So common factor is 5. So common factor equal to 5. So we will divide by 5. In 5 table when 20 will come, 5 4s are 20. And 35 when will come in 5 table, 5 7s are 35. So 4 upon 7 is our answer. Now number 4, 28 upon 42. So first we will take out HCF for 28. In 2 table when 28 will come, so we will divide and see. So 2 1s are 2. So 0, this 4 8 we will carry it down. So in 2 table when 8 will come, 2 4s are 8. So 2 14s are 28. Then 2 7s are 14. Then 7 1s are 7. Now for 42, in 2 table when 42 will come, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 we will carry down. So 2 1s are 2. So 2 21s are. Then 21 will come in 3 table. So 3 7s are. Then 7 1s are. So factors for 28 equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7. Now for 42 equal to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. So common factor is factor 7. So in common factor we will write 2 multiply by 7. So 2 7s are 14. So 28 upon 42 we will divide by 14. So 14 2s are 28 and 14 3s are 42. So 2 upon 3 is our answer. Okay students, remaining sum you have to do from PDF.